Okay, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. I hope you are well. It's been a while. So today's lesson is all about statistics. Actually, here I have a prompt that I want you to try, give that a try, and let me know if we get the same answer. So here we have a given question that we are going to try. First of all, the problem is the table below shows the marks scored by 25 students in a mathematics test marked out of 15. So here we have some students who scored 27, 35, 40 out of 50. So we have different number of marks which were scored by different students. So here we have been asked to copy the table and complete it using the above data, the above information. So what we are going to do, first of all, this is in ungrouped statistics. It is totally different from a grouped statistics where you are going to be given the range of scores. For example, students who scored between 20 and 30. But here, this question is totally different from grouped statistics. So what we are going to do is we are going to count the number of students who scored the same scores. For example, the number of students who scored 27. How many students? You have 27, one student, the second one, two, three. We have 3 students. The number of students, we are going to put the number of students in a frequency column. So there are only 3 students who scored 27 scores or marks. So how many students scored 28 marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are only 7 students. Okay, how many students scored 29? None of them, or other students scored okay, actually 35. So how many students scored 35 scores? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 students. How many students scored 36? None of them. 37? None of them. 38? None of them. According to the given data. 39? None of them. 40? Yeah, we have 40 marks which were scored by certain number of students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 students. Is there any scores left? Yes, please. We have 41. No, we have 42. Yes, please. We have 42. 1 student, 2 students, and 3 students. 3 students scored 42 scores. So what we are going to do is when we count or when we add this number, are we going to get 25? If not, it means that you have made some mistake. So here, when we add this and this, you are going to get 10, 15, 15, 21, and we are going to get 24. Sorry guys, you can see here we forgot to include this number. Those students who scored 42, They are not 3 students, but they are 4 students. So here we have 4 number of students who scored 42 marks. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to make the sum of these students. Sum of F. This E stands for sum. This is the symbol of sum. So if we add 2, 7, we are going to get 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 6, we are going to get 21. 21 plus 4, we are going to get 25. So here we have 25. What is about F times X? This X stands for max. What we are going to do here is we are going to take 27 multiply it with 3. By 3, okay. Sorry guys. When we take 27 times 3, we are going to get 81. Okay. Yeah, 28 times 7, we are going to get 196. 35, when we multiply it with or by 5, we are going to get 175. So when you multiply 40 times 6, you are going to get 240. When we multiply 42 times 4, we are going to get 168. So what we are going to do next is just to add this number. The sum of this number should be equal to 168 plus 240 plus 175 plus 196 plus 81. We are going to get 816. And here the remaining side, the remaining part is cumulative frequency. How are we going to get the cumulative frequency? It is a very easy task for us to find the cumulative frequency. So what we are going to do is, so we have to take this 3 and we put it here, and we are going to take 3 plus 7. We are going to get 10. 10 plus 5, we are going to get 15. 15 plus 6, we are going to get 21. 21 plus 4, we are going to get 25. So the first question we are done with it. Yeah. The remaining question is find the mode. So actually here in Rwanda, when you are doing this such prompt, after completing this table, you are about to get 9 to 15 marks during the national examinations. So when you complete the remaining task, you are going to get 15 out of 15, so that you are going to get all of them. Because you are with me, I'm going to explain it very easily in a clear way that is very understandable. So find the mode. So how are we going to get the mode? To find the mode mark, we are going to, first of all, we came here in the frequency column and we see what marks comes with the highest number of students. So here we will see that 7 is the highest number in this column. It means that a larger number of students got 28. This is the mode. The reason why 28 is the mod mark, it is because it has the highest frequency. Yeah, there were so many students who got 28 marks. How are we going to find or to determine the median? First of all, we are going to find the median position. The median position, we are going to get it in this simple way. Come and take this 25. 25, it is odd number. So we should have to add plus 1, add 1, and divide it with 2 by 2. We are going to get 26 divided by 2. We are going to get 13. 13. So it means that we are coming in this cumulative frequency and we see where this position stands. So we are going to see that 13, it is in between 10 and 15. So we are not going to take not this 10, no, we are going to take 15, the number which is above 13, but not very far away, but closer to 13, but not below 13. So we should have 15. So the median mark is there. The median mark is 35. What is about the mean? What is about mean? In order to get mean is equal to the sum of f times x over sum of f, sum of frequency. So f times x is equal to 860 divided by 25. So here we are going to get mean in a very simple way. 800 divided by 25, we are going to get 34.4 marks. So thank you guys. I'm going to put here another prompt so that we are going to do it together. Thanks. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're well once again. So here I have a prompt here that I want to take you through this. I want to take you through this question. So the figure below is a right-angled triangle. Show that y is equal to 5 root 2. So is it possible y to be exactly the same as 5 root 2? Let's give it a try. So from Pythagoras theorem, from the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. What is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse, it is the longest side of the triangle, of the right-angled triangle. This is the base and this is the height. So when we take hypotenuse square, it means that we are going to take 10 square and we equalize it with this base square, y square, plus this y square. We are going to get to see if we are going to get the same answer as we are asked to get. Okay, so 10 square is equal to 100, which is equal to y square plus y square. We do have 2y squared. You can change them And you can rewrite it as 2y square is equal to 100. So y square is equal to 100 divided by 2. So y square is equal to 15. What is y? Y is equal to the root plus or negative 15. So here y is equal to plus or negative 25 times 2. So y is equal to plus or negative. The square root of 25 is equal to 5 root 2. So here we have y is equal to plus 5 root 2 or y is equal to negative 5 root 2. We are going to reject this. Rejected because in angle we do not have a negative sign. So our y is equal to 5 root 2 as required. Thank you very much.